This is the Tesmen TM-510 digital smart multimeter. Tesmen did send this to me for no charge for the purpose of doing a couple videos. And this is just a nice basic multimeter to keep around. So first of all, you get your meter itself, your leads, and then in the box here, I've got the little carrying case and manual for it. So you do get a nice little zipper pouch, and this does have a pocket in it for your leads on the inside here, and then there is the manual. In the box, you're also going to get batteries. I've already got them installed, but to put batteries in, you do need to take this little cover off, and the batteries go in the back here. So first things first is hook up your leads, red to red, the black goes to the white because that's your ground or neutral, and then you just press this button here in the center, and it will turn on. First thing you'll want to do is hold these leads together to zero it out. You'll hear that beep, that means it's zeroed out and ready to use. It is on auto right now, so that's going to automatically decide what you're trying to do. This unit does voltage, resistance, and continuity, as well as the non-contact voltage detector. So we're going to just look at voltage here, but it will do continuity and resistance as well. And now we can just I'm just going to use this LiPo battery. You can see on this LiPo, we got a little over 4 volts because this is a almost fully charged battery. If you let go, it's going to go back to auto. But say you want to hold that setting so you can review it later, or you're in a tight space where you can't look at it right away. If you hit this H button one time short press, that's going to hold that setting on the screen for you there. Then to clear it, you just hit it again and it will clear out. This does have a built-in backlight, which is a short press on this button. It's also got a flashlight here on the back, which is a long press on the same button for the backlight. Then to turn everything off, you just do the reverse. So if you want to use the non-contact voltage detection, the first thing you've got to do is take these out. They claim it can change the reading. It doesn't give you a measurement though. It only is going to tell you whether it's low voltage, high voltage, or nothing. So disconnect these. And then that same button we used to hold that measurement with a short press, we're going to hold that with a long press, and it will go over into the NCV mode. So to test this non-contact voltage detector, I am going to use this extension cord I've got plugged in, and it should register this as high voltage because it is a 110 plug, and it does. So it will beep very rapidly, give you a red light, and display an H on the screen if it is high voltage. If you've got something that's like 12 volts, it will display that L you saw briefly before it detected the high voltage, and it will flash like a green light, and the beep is slower. You've got audio and visual confirmation of those measurements with this unit. Overall, pretty handy little unit that goes in a pouch that's great to throw in a toolbox or vehicle and just kind of have on hand when necessary. So definitely check this out if you're looking for something like that.